It's Southern Fried Yankee. I turned the boat out of the sun. The sun's going to be beating on me. I succeeded in what I set out to do. It's an amazing feeling. But 31.2 pounds. My PB blue. It's a big fish. This is really, honestly, this is why conservation and CPR is so important, because we want to be able to catch these fish in the future. This fish is going to get bigger. I'm putting him back in the water. He's going to get bigger, and I hope to catch him again with maybe a few more pounds on him. He's pretty vocal. He's definitely heavy. The 28 that I landed earlier, I was very happy with, but just the sole fact that I've landed my PB, I'm really stoked about that, and I'm very grateful to have the things in my life that I do and the people in my life that I do. It's an amazing day. 31.2. That's a good day. That's a really good day. I'm going to call it for the day. He's mad, vocal, I'm trying not to get stabbed, but he's going to go back in the water in good health. I love it.